Welcome to the Centre of Digital Innovation in Wales. As part of the Shared Prosperity Fund, we ran 2 sets of digital growth grants for businesses based in Anglesey to provide those businesses with better connectivity or tools to help their businesses.
Mae Tropic wedi elwa o grant flwyddyn yma i greu tŵl sy'n defnyddio AI i helpu ni i gyflymu'r proses dylunio.
Nath grant Digidol M-SParc adael ni ehangu busnes ni i gallu gwneud real-time graphics a virtual production. Mae gathon ni ddanos hynna efo Eisteddfod, which oedd e-sports tournament cyntaf cyfrwng yn Gymraeg.
We run the Agritech cluster for North and Mid Wales.
Through the Agritech cluster, I learnt about a trade mission organised by M-SParc to meet with colleagues from University College Dublin. They have an innovation and demonstration farm at Lions Park. From that visit, I was part of the accelerator programme launched by University College Dublin.
We also run a cluster called Gogledd Digidol, a digital creative community that stretches from here on Ynys Môn all the way over to Wrexham.
Mae rhai o uchafbwyntio Gogledd Creadigol o'r flwyddyn yma yn cynnwys cynnal gwobrau Gogledd Creadigol yn ôl yn cychwyn y flwyddyn. Mae'r gwobrau yn cefnogi busnesau yn y meysydd creadigol digidol yma yn Gogledd Cymru. Da ni hefyd wedi bod yn cydweithio efo nifer o partneriaid fel Cymru Creadigol, Tramsiad Tech, Barclays Eagle Lab i lansio cyflymydd i helpu'r busnesau yn y rhwydwaith ac i helpu nhw ehangu'r rhwydwaith nhw.
The Convergent Content Scaler is a programme that features companies from all across Wales within the creative digital sector who are working in high-tech areas like VR, AR, AI, all those other acronyms. Get them together in one room, pinpoint opportunities for them, whether that's funders or grants or actual networking opportunities where they'll go ahead and work with one another.
Convergent Content is a series of workshops designed to help people who want to collaborate with different sectors. It's really, really interesting. Lots of good networking opportunities and again, good workshops that help you get in the right mindset to collaborate with others.
Mae wedi bod yn absolutely amazing. Mae wedi bod yn lot o helpu mi. Pryd oeddwn ni'n dechrau Scaler, oeddwn ni gweithio ar freelance, ond rwan trwy'r proses dwi wedi dechrau cwmni fy hun. Ac mae wedi bod yn just amazing.
We're really lucky to have not only had one degree apprentice who's gone on to get a fantastic job with one of the tent companies here at M-SParc, but also just recently had another degree apprentice called Elgan Edwards, who is working with us in Digidol and also one of the tenant companies here in AI.